Okay, here's a separable equation question. X times x plus 1, x plus 2, y prime equals to 3x minus 3, y squared. Okay, for a separable equation, to see if something's separable, you rewrite y prime as dy over dx. And then probably the first step you want to do is to multiply the dx to the other side. Okay? Just like this. Okay? And you want to make it in this form because when you do the integral, it should be integral dy. Okay. I saw some people doing this, moving dy over there and making 1 over dx. That's not good because when do you do this ever? Do you integrate like this? No, that's never true. So dy and dx should be in upstairs. It should be in the numerator. You can't be in a fraction. It can't be 1 over dy. Don't do that. Okay. All right. Now, I wish I could just integrate here, but that's not allowed because this dy and these are x's. I need y only here. So this should go to the other side, whereas this y squared is no good because you have dx here. So this one should also go. So this is what I should do. I should divide first by y squared to get rid of this y squared I don't want. And then once I have x plus 1, x plus 2 over y squared dy equals to 3x minus 3 dx. Then I should divide both sides by x plus 1, x plus 2. And that, so that these cancel, leaving you with 1 over y squared on the left, whereas on the right side you have 3x minus 3 over x times x plus 1, x plus 2 dx. Great. Okay? And now you can integrate both sides. And that's perfectly normal because you have y with y only, x with x only. Okay? Only then you're allowed to integrate. Okay? Then the next thing you do is, this one's easy to integrate. What's the integral of 1 over y squared? Yeah. So 1 over y squared is y to the negative 2. So if you integrate, you add 1 to the exponent and put the reciprocal of negative 1. So it's just negative y to the negative 1, or negative 1 over y. Okay? You know, at this stage, you should probably just have this memorized. This appears enough times that you should memorize that 1 over y squared integrates to negative 1 over y. Okay? So that's the left side. I didn't put plus c because you just need to put plus c on one side. On the right side, this is something that you can't integrate immediately. You need to do partial fraction expansion. So let's do the partial fraction expansion. 3x minus 3 over x plus 1, x plus 2. So that means a over x, b over x plus 1, c over x plus 2. That's what you need. Let me write in blue for the partial fraction expansion. Let's multiply this to the other side so that you get 3x minus 3 equals to a times x plus 1, x plus 2, b times x plus 2, c times x plus 1. Right. And then you set x equal to 0 so that all of these go away. And you get 2a, and that's negative 3. So negative 3 is equal to 2a, giving you a equals to negative 3 over 2. X equal to negative 1 gives this becomes 0, that becomes 0, this becomes negative b, right? So this, on the right side you get negative b, whereas this one, negative 3 minus 3, that's negative 6, so you get b equals to 6. And then if you have x equals to negative 2, then these two disappear, whereas this one will be negative 1 times negative 2c. That will be 2c, whereas this one will be negative 9. So negative 9 equals to 2c. That gives you c equals to negative 9 over 2. Using those values, when you plug those values back in here, A, B, C, you get negative 3 over 2, 6, and negative 9 over 2. And therefore, integrating this would be same as integrating this. Integrating that's not easier, right? Because 1 over x integrates to log of x. So let me write down the result here. So you end up with the integral being negative 3 over 2 ln of x, and then plus 6 times ln of x plus 1, and then minus 9 over 2 ln of x plus 2 plus c. So that's the integral of this side, and that has to equal to the integral of this side, which is negative 1 over y. Therefore, if you solve for y, all you have to do is now multiply by y and divide the entire side to the other side, so you get y equals to negative 1 over this entire thing. So this is the answer. Answer is y equals to negative 1 over negative 3 over 2 ln of absolute value of x plus 6 ln of absolute value of x plus 1 minus 9 over 2 ln of x plus 2 plus. So, humongous thing is the answer.